Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. Today we are here in Woodstock, Vermont at the Marsh-Billings Rockefeller National Historical Park. There is the Rockefeller Mansion. It is quite impressive. Here are the grounds of the park, also quite impressive. Yeah, there's the mansion right there.
But is it haunted?
I don't think so, Lai. Ooh, poem by Robert Frost. Yeah, there should be a garden right over there. Want to go check that out?
Very much do. Blocked off.
What?
Blocked off.
Alright, well, let's see what it says. Unless this isn't the garden. Private drive.
This is the road.
Oh.
Do you have a map?
Yeah. Let's say we use the map. Nope, that's climate change. Hold on. There you go. So we're right here.
Where's the mansion? No, that's the thing.
There's a bigger map on this side of that. So the mansion is right here.
Where? Must be down there.
Alright, let's go find it. Alright guys, well we will be back shortly as soon as I figure out where this garden is supposed to be, so we'll talk to you later.